Give me a little bit of some of this right here. Some of that right there. How many old school freestyle fans do we have in this building tonight? I already know that all of you know all the Stevie B songs. I already know that. So tonight, we're gonna have an old school party in this building tonight. And we're gonna start it off by taking you back to 1988, 1989 with a little song that goes a little something like this. Check this out. Shh. Let's go. Everybody put your hands like this up. Los Angeles, if you love freestyle. Ladies, let me hear you make some noise. Come on, y'all. Los Angeles, everybody get up right here. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go, let's go. Late at night, all alone, I think of you and my feelings strong. I wish you knew when you look my way, let me be the one. My heart is shaking for that special girl. Got my money and she's my girl. So much you love and so unfold. Let me be the one. You say it. I need you, girl, need you now. I guess you're lucky with me somehow. The love I have is an open door, girl. Come on, yeah, let's hear. Everybody, you say, I wanna be the one. Everybody over here say, I wanna be the one you kiss it. I wanna be the one you dream of. Let me be the one. I wanna be the one you're kissing. I wanna be the one you dream of. Let me be the one. Everybody, come on.